760. Gotta put the card in, the light, and this is the first bathroom because Disney has multiple bathrooms in most rooms. Bathroom, toilet, and there's a light underneath. We'll come over here. Second one. Shower, of course. And the bathtub. And then you have the sink. Nice mirror. And then it's a full body mirror. Then here we have closet, life jackets and space. Lots of space here. And then we have another one. A laundry bag, safe. More. Lots of space for putting things. And the bed. And we got Mulan. Got Mulan. The artwork lights. TV. This is a connecting room. Got couch. All of this space. Phone. Lots of space. Open this here. We have postcards. This is what you use if you want to order continental breakfast, coffee in the morning. Got pen and stuff. Be sure to take the stuff with you. And then you got a hair dryer and a pad for your hot tools. Open deep drawer space. Another one. And here is a refrigerator. Got glasses and then balcony. Let's see. Gotta open that. And then, oh, so it has a little child lock thing up here. So you don't have to worry about your kids getting out. And then, balcony. Got 2 chairs. Ooh, is that a... I don't know what that is flying, but 2 chairs, table, and we're facing upward. And we got our gifts because we are silver, and our lanyards, and our bags. So this is the inaugural stuff, not the new ones that just came out. Got the inaugural sailing here, but I have my band, so we got those. And we got the inaugural Castaway Club bag. So that's really nice.